As you can see, I'd given prompt and tasks has become now 3. It's close to 2 minutes of editing the code. I hope it doesn't turn out. We have explored a lot of AI tools which helps us to build the landing page or web applications in this 100 days of AI series. We have done Firebase, SoftChain, Lovable, Bold, and multiple other things. Yet, sometimes we may feel, are there any other options? And yes, we have one more tool which we are going to explore today. Welcome to day 216 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today, we are exploring Youware, another AI tool which helps us to build the landing page or web application. It helps you generate HTML, CSS, and multiple other codes. So let's see how this functions. So to begin, head over to youware.com, and as you can see, it is asking me to sign in. So let me click on this one. Let's continue. And I am in. You have to give a prompt, and prompt is build a personal blog with a home page, an about section, and a contact form. So let's hit enter. Okay, before we go there, we have some MCP tool. Okay, so we have Figma, which we can use to convert our Figma designs into web pages with AI. Right? Likewise, we have Notion, connect Notion pages to LLMs for content-driven web project generation. We have GitHub, of course, turn your repository data into source material for AI-generated websites and tools. Likewise, we have Superbase, turn your repository data into source material for AI-generated websites and tools. We have YouTube, Firecrawl, Unsplash, Flux AI, ARXIV, then we have Google Maps, then huge icons, right? So we can use any of these. And of course, there are more tools coming up. We can also upload files from here. Now, so it's asking us to log into Remix and customize it your way. So want to remix this project? Maybe not. So I'll cancel it. And looks like there was some challenge happening on Youware. And finally, let's click on enter. And there you go. So it has started working its magic. All of these tools work similarly, but they may have certain steps that are different from each other, right? Firstly, it starts thinking, then file content inspection, updating your files. So the beauty of these kind of platforms is it writes code, it tests it, it understands where are the issues, and then it tries to fix them as well. And in this particular tool, you get a monthly free tasks, I think 5, maybe the first one we have already used now, right? And that's why it is showing us 4. And it resets on the 1st of every month at 12 GMT. So there you go. So it is given my blog. Welcome to my blog. Home, about, contact. You can also view it in mobile view, right? Looks good, but it looks boring. So I'm going here and asking it, new, please make it look vibrant and modern. Let's see what the AI does. So it has finished with thinking, code setup checked, editing the code. And in a few seconds, you should see the magic. As you can see, I'd given prompt and tasks has become now 3. It's close to 2 minutes of editing the code. I hope it doesn't turn out like Firebase Studio. Okay, there you go. You can see that it has created like vibrant blog. Welcome to my creative space. And it has added some kind of animation and stuff like that, right? It's added about me. So of course you can go ahead and ask it to make the changes in color or the header, the way it looks, anything. Finally, you can go to history, which shows you what were the prompts that you had given, right? and you have a option to publish it from here, right? If you publish, then it'll allow you to share the link with your audience on X, Reddit, WhatsApp. I mean, it's ultimately just the link, right? You can also go ahead and change the link, that is youware.com/project/ let's say Rit7, right? It's checking if it's available, and if it's available, then you can just click on save. And now when you go to share, this would be your link. Okay, so you can see that Rit7 was not available, so it has appended with some random characters. So ensure that whatever you have is available. So that's yet another AI based web app development tool for you. It lets you build like a developer with lesser friction. So I hope you give it a try, and I want you to share your thoughts on which was the tool that you liked the most for your development activities. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.